Welcome back to the Truth Seeking Network. And I'm going to do a quick video about Bitcoin real quick. Like I said, investments is what everybody should get into, and you want to get into. It's what the rich get into. Okay. I know y'all heard a lot of bad things about Bitcoin. You know, it was rat poison, what Warren Buffett said, and some of these other gurus, talk bad about it. Dave Ramsey, a bunch of people have been leading y'all astray. But the truth is, Bitcoin is definitely here to stay and is here for the future. And you have an opportunity to still get in to own Bitcoin. Right now, you got BlackRock, you got companies out here that's actually making ETFs, exchange traded funds, for Bitcoin. And when that actually happens, Bitcoin could explode in prices, as well as the fact that what is called the halvening that is coming up between end of March and April this year in 2024. Right now, there's 6.1 Bitcoin or something like that being created per block, but then it's going to get cut in half to 3 point something Bitcoin created. And when that happens, of course, the price and demand of Bitcoin will actually go up even more. Okay. Bitcoin is also um, so your money inflates, but Bitcoin doesn't inflate because it's only 21 million that's ever going to be made. So it won't go any higher than that. Only 21 million Bitcoins will be minted. You have an opportunity to buy pieces of a Bitcoin. You don't have to get the full Bitcoin. And I've been making videos over time. And when Bitcoin was down to 15,000 and 16,000, I made the videos and I told y'all to get in. Okay, I told you that you can buy parts and pieces. You can buy $100 worth. You can dollar cost average into it. But the point is, Bitcoin is rare, and those who get Bitcoin or own Bitcoin will have the Bitcoin. And I just don't want to see y'all FOMOing out and trying to get into it when Bitcoin is up 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 per Bitcoin. And now you want to buy it. You want to start buying into it when you see it actually going up. I had made another video right before this one, and I told y'all the best time to invest is when people are running scared, or like what Warren Buffett said, there's blood in the streets, when people don't want to invest. When they see things that go down, then everybody just kind of like psychologically walks away from it. But that's actually the time to invest. Okay. So I'm making this video again. Now, today, I'm gonna flip screens and I'm gonna show you what Bitcoin is trading right now. Now, Bitcoin has more than doubled. Okay, from the 15 to 16,000, it's more than doubled now. So the question is, when are you going to get in? Or are you going to get in? Or are you going to wait till everybody else tell you to get in before you get in when it's really expensive? Right now, you can still buy into it. If Bitcoin was programmed to go to $100 million, right? Because one Bitcoin equals 100 million Satoshi. That's what it's broken down into. So let's say a Satoshi goes to $1. If a Satoshi builds up to be $1, then that'd be $100 million per Bitcoin. $100 million per Bitcoin for one Bitcoin. And people don't understand the power of the Bitcoin. You got to think about there's 8 billion people on the planet. Think about only 21 million Bitcoin. How would 21 million go into the whole? There's 21 million people in the state of California. It's more than 21 million people. But this is for the whole world. Countries across the world are mining Bitcoin. They have Bitcoin ETFs. Okay. The question is, even when you watch CNBC and Fox Business, they even show the Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum right on the screen every single day when the stock market is open. It's a new asset class, y'all. A new asset class has been created and right in front of you. And the question is, are you going to miss out? and I don't want you to miss out. Okay. So this is an opportunity. The Bitcoin is running out. The rich people are buying up the Bitcoin. And that's a fact. Michael Saylor, BlackRock, all these people unknown are buying Bitcoins. So if there's only 21 million made and these corporations are buying them by the thousands, then how much is left for you? See, that's what I'm concerned. I'm concerned about the retail person, you, right? What about you? What about us? So if you had an opportunity to get an Apple at the beginning of Apple, would you have done it? If you had an opportunity to get into Microsoft when it was just cents, would you have done it? Did you do it? Why not? When Home Depot had just started out, you could have got shares. Amazon. I mean, I can go on and on. Did you buy any of these things when they first came out, or did you just consume? Did you just use the products that these companies made and didn't own any shares? Because had you bought some shares in these things early on and you held them till now, you'd be rich. You wouldn't even have to work. But the opportunity is always there, y'all. The opportunity is always there. It's just that we don't pay attention or don't see it. We are so distracted by other things, we don't even pay attention. So this is the time to pay attention. You have an opportunity to get into the Bitcoin still. It's still under $100,000. And like I said, don't listen to mainstream media. Don't let them fool you out of it. Dollar cost averages to it. Start getting your piece of it today. Buy some Ethereum and buy some Litecoin or whatever else, Link. You have an opportunity to get in some of these things today. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, I don't claim to be one. I'm just telling you some things that you could do. And all you have to do is just go look up some of my past videos on Bitcoin and where the price was when they said Bitcoin was dead, when the FTX thing was going on. I did videos back then just to show you, and you can follow me up till now. This is the Truth Seeker Network. I'm not here to lie to you. I'm here to tell you the truth. Okay? And if you follow some of the advice that I gave, you would have saw that I am telling you the truth. So, and this is the only way to prove it. So y'all just, like I said, just it's your choice. You can buy into it or you don't have to. That's your choice. But one day, whether you like it or not, Bitcoin is here to stay, and Bitcoin is going up, and it's a brand new asset class. A lot of people, a lot of businesses are adopting the blockchain. The internet will have a money, and that internet money could be Bitcoin. Okay, so you see my screen. See my screen right in front of me, and it says, Robert Kiyosaki warns to get into gold, silver, and Bitcoin before it's too late. And here's why. Now, you see, I also did videos in the past. I've done videos in the past showing you how to get the gold, how to get to buy the gold and silver as well. I did some gold and silver videos as well too. Now, why is Rod? You know who? First of all, do y'all know who Robert Kiyosaki is? I should go back to that. So Robert Kiyosaki, he is the writer of the book they call Rich Dad Poor Dad. It's a #1 bestseller, and he also has a channel on YouTube as well. And he says to get into real money, because the fiat currency is actually being printed, which is your dollar bills, and you notice it, as I told you in other videos, your dollar is inflating. That means your dollar is not worth as much today as it was 10 years ago, 5 years ago. And so that's why items in the store are going up much more than a dollar in your bank account. So if you got money just sitting in the bank account, you're basically losing money to inflation. But you have an opportunity now to put your money in real money. And real money is gold, silver, and Bitcoin. You have opportunity. And that's why a bar of silver is now $25 per ounce. The dollar is worth less. The silver is worth more. The gold is the same way. The gold prices are now over $2,000 an ounce. Why is that? Because the dollar is going down, but the gold is now rising. It's going up. And the same with the Bitcoin. So Robert Kiyosaki, he's a billionaire. At the same time, he's showing you and telling you to get into Bitcoin, not just me. And so I totally agree with him. Gold, silver, and Bitcoin before it's too late. And that's what I was talking about. You don't want to FOMO in this thing. You have an opportunity to still get in before all the rich people, before all the corporations, before all the companies. Right now, they're buying right now. And you have an opportunity as well. Okay. I'm just going to read a little bit of this. Okay. Just make this a short video. It says, Rich Dad Poor Dad author Kiyosaki is warning that hyperinflation may soon be coming and time is running out to get into Bitcoin, gold, and silver as a hedge. The best-selling finance author tells his 2.4 million followers on the social media platform X that the US dollar is losing value. And it is, y'all. All right. So he believes that under hyperinflation conditions, the best performing store of value assets will be Bitcoin, along with precious metals, gold, and silver. Yet I believe Bitcoin is your best protection because Bitcoin is people's money, which means people control the value of Bitcoin, not our leaders. Take care. He calls the rising prices shocking. I am shocked at the rising prices of inflation. Thank God I have plenty of money. Yet I feel for those who struggle paycheck to paycheck. I feel for people who cannot afford food, rent, and fuel, and cannot afford to invest in gold, silver, and Bitcoin, as I suggest. And that's coming from Robert Kiyosaki. And I totally agree with him. So the last thing I'm going to do is now go into, and I'm going to show you the price of Bitcoin trading right now. Okay. So y'all see my screen now, right? And look above me up here. You see Bitcoin today is now trading at $40,200 and it's moving. And last time I did a video, I did a Bitcoin video. It was like 30 some thousand, I think. I can't remember what it is. Y'all can go back and watch it. I just did a video maybe a week or two back. And I'm just showing you that Bitcoin, although all the noise which y'all heard on the news, right? What y'all seen, everybody telling y'all that it's a scam, whatever. Look what Bitcoin is trading today. Right here, $40,000. And so if just a year ago, I told you that it was at 15, 16,000. You could have opportunity to get in, but people didn't want to get in. They were scared. They were running from it. They said, no, it's a scam. I had people tell me all kind of stuff, it's a scam. I'm not going to get involved with that, blah, 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 blah. Well, now it's at 40,000. Is it still a scam? See, it was only brought down for the rich now to build it up to get back in. I'm gonna tell you, once they make their move and they get in, you're gonna see this thing skyrocket. And then you're gonna wish you had got in. So yeah, that's it. And you see I got XRP over it, right? It's trading at 63 cents, 62 cents. And y'all gonna remember these prices from this video. Right? Y'all gonna remember these prices because y'all gonna see a whole bunch difference. Right now, Ethereum right here next to, right under Bitcoin is trading at $2,210 right now and moving. You got Solana trading at $63.58. Of course, right here, this is Apple. This is just a stock. It's not moving, but it's $191 in this video. $191.30. That's Apple stock. But I was mostly focused on the crypto, which is up here. Bitcoin, 40,000 bucks. You have an opportunity. XRP is just 62 cents. And Ethereum is just $2,210. And then you got Solana. There's other cryptocurrencies as well. I don't have them on here, but I just mainly want to show you the Bitcoin. All right. So you get to see it. This is going to be archived on the channel. It's set in stone. So when you see it, maybe a year from now or 6 months from now, will Bitcoin be 200,000 per coin? Would it be 100,000 or would it be less? Who knows? But all I'm saying, just you dollar cost average and get in where you can fit in. All right. So this is the Truth Seeking Network. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day. Peace out till next time. And I'm out.